Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to interact with Solana assets using MetaMask. It's important to understand that MetaMask is designed for Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks, not the native Solana blockchain. This means you cannot directly store native SOL in your MetaMask wallet. However, there are ways to acquire Solana and then use a wrapped version, known as WSOL, on an EVM chain. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to achieve this, ensuring you understand the process clearly. The first step is to acquire Solana or SOL from a trusted source. You'll typically do this on a major centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are excellent choices. You'll need to create an account, complete their identity verification process, and then deposit funds, either fiat currency or another cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, you can easily place an order to purchase your desired amount of Solana. This is the foundational step before considering any interaction with EVM chains. Since MetaMask doesn't natively support Solana, you'll need to bridge your SOL to an Ethereum virtual machine compatible network. This process converts your native Solana into a wrapped version, known as WSOL, which can then be managed by MetaMask. You'll use a secure cross-chain bridge, such as Wormhole or Allbridge, for this. Connect your Solana wallet, like Phantom, to the bridge, and then connect your MetaMask wallet to the desired EVM chain. Follow the bridge's instructions to complete the asset transfer. Once your Solana has been successfully bridged and wrapped into WSOL on an EVM chain, you can add it to your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask, ensure you are on the correct EVM network, and then click Import Tokens. You'll need the specific contract address for WSOL on that particular chain. Enter the contract address, and MetaMask will usually autofill the token symbol and decimals. Confirm the addition, and your WSOL balance will then be visible and fully manageable within your MetaMask interface, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.